Uh, Today we are going to learn about theories of language learning. It's taken from theoretical concept of language learning. Learning refers to the permanent changes, modification, and adaptation of organisms to their environment. Different factors play the role in learning, for example, biological changes, growth, maturation, development, etc. Teaching and learning activities are based on principles or theories. There are many theories of learning a language experimented by many scholars who worked in the field of education. For example, behaviorism, mentalism, empiricism, rationalism, etc. They are discussed below. First of all, empiricism and rationalism. Empiricism. We are going to make a differences between empiricism and rationalism. Okay. Number one of empiricism. This word is derived from Greek word imperia, which means experience. And in other hand, rationalism, this word is derived from Latin word ratio, which means mind. Empiricism, it believes that sensory system is the source of knowledge, and in rationalism, it believes that linguistic knowledge is acquired innately. In empiricism, it believes in perceptions of knowledge through sense organs, and in rationalism, it believes that human has two aspects, an inner mental aspect and an outer physical aspect. In empiricism, it believes that students learn language on the basis of environment, and in rationalism, it believes that the existence of data. It believes the existence of data. It means language acquisition device to acquire the language. It believes that all knowledge comes from experience in empiricism, and in rationalism, it emphasizes the role of mind in the acquisition of language. We can say that empiricism is the learning process of experience. It believes that previous experience play the vital role in language learning. And in rationalism, it believes that human has a data in his mind, so that it helps to acquire the language. Okay, and next topic is behaviorism. This theory is based on the human behavior, which is the study of human behavior. It believes that human behavior is learned through continuous process stimuli. It associates with the famous scholar Pavlov, Watson, Skinner, who made great contribution in the field of education or learning. The Russian psychologist Ivan Pavlov conducted a series of experiments to know how the human or animal learn. He made his experiment upon a dog. He trained the dog to salivate. This stimulus response, as our theory of psychology, is known as classical conditioning theory in the field of teaching and learning. Again, another American psychologist, Edward Thorndike, made his experiment on a hungry cat. He rushed a cat into a box and keep a latch or button inside it and feeds outside the box visually. Whenever cat run and press the button, the door of the box open and cat eats the food. Cat made several trials and errors. Finally, it learned to press the latch and come out and have food. He established selecting and connecting trial and error behavior of the cat. It knows as trial and error theory. This theory believes that learning can be done through trial and error. Then another scholar or psychologist, J.B. Watson or John P. Watson, introduced the behaviorist school of psychology in his article on psychology as the behaviorist view, which establishes behaviorism. So it is said that this school of psychology was founded by Watson. Another American psychologist, P.F. Skinner, followed the work of Pavlov, Thorndike, and developed the theory of behaviorist in learning. So this is all about behaviorism. We will discuss mentalism and other learning theories in our next video. Thank you for watching.